Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S10 FE and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 1 hour and 7 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings then on notes. So we can tap on this graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard, in which we can check the screen time, notifications we've received, and times, how many times we've unlocked our device. We can of course change the week, so we can check the particular days of the week and compare them if you want to. You can of course show categories, you can show apps, you can tap on the specific app which is listed here and check some further details, so for example how many you've opened this app. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.